नमस्ते स्टूडेंट, खुश रहो बिटिया। एज ए विन डॉक्टर नीलम चक्रवर्ती फ्रॉम ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर in management department in Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. In today's session we are going about discuss the topic CSR models and ISO 26000 and global reporting initiative. And now, so let's start the topic. The CSR models as the so and in the above figures, and they are the four kinds of the social responsibility that consistently and the constitute and the concept of CSR, and this involves an economic, legal, ethical, and philanthropic, and the pyramid is used and to show the different responsibility of a business in the order of deciding importance. Now, explain the figures. And the first is the purely economic. The purely economic is the film recovery systems enrollment. And now second is the purely legal. Now the purely legal is the next star. And third is the purely ethical and Johan's marks. And next the legal and ethicals, and the General Electric and Smith and Vision. Now, so economics, ethicals, and economic ethicals body shop and Malden Mills. Now, last the economics and legal ethicals, the protectors and Glambles, Walmart, and the economics levels and the Unions Carbide and Pepsi. Now discuss the ISO 26000. Now ISO has launched the development of the future, and ISO 26000 standards providing and voluntary guidance on a social responsibility. The ISO 26000 will be from organizations of all types in both public and private sectors in developed and developing the countries. The ISO 26000 will added and values of existing and SR work by the developing and internationals and consequences are on the what are the SR means and the SR issues that organizations and need to the addresses. The providing and guidance on the translating and principles into the effective actions and refining the best practice and that have already involved and disseminating and the informations worldwide for the good of the international community. And so what is the ISO 26000? And the ISO 26000 is the designations of the future international standards and the giving guidance on the social and responsibility. It is the intended and for use by organizations of all types in the both public and private sectors in developed and developing the countries, and it will assign and them in their efforts and to operate in the socially and responsible manner that society and increase science and demands. And now ISO 26000 and continuous guidance and not requirements, and therefore will not be for use and as the certificate and standards like ISO 9001 is 2000 and ISO 14001 and 2004. Now, why is the ISO 26000 important? The sustainable and business for the organizations means not only the providing and products and services that and safety the customers and doing so without the jeopardizing and but also and operating in the socially and responsible manner. The pressures and to do so comes from the customers and consumers, government, associations and the public at large at the same times and fire and signated and the organization's leaders and organize that listing and success and must be the bull on the credibles and businesses practice and the preventions of the activities such as the fundamentals on the accounting the labor exploitations. Now discuss the global reporting and in relative the global reporting in tentative is an international not for profit organizations with a network based structures to enables all companies and organizations to report the economic, the environmental, social and government performance, the GRI procedures on fish tables reporting and guidelines. The guidelines are the currently in their fourth generations. Now, GRI was founded in the US in 1997. By CERECS, a United States non-profit and organization, and the United Nations on environmental programs and was originally based in Boston, Massachusetts, and in 2002 and GRI moved its and center office of the and where the secretaries on this is the currently located, and the GRI also has regions and the focus points in Australia and Brazil and China's India and the USA. Thank you. This session is powered by Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. And if you have any queries, and we will discuss the problem solving. Thank you.